Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to convert a Python file to an EXE file. Converting a Python file to EXE would make it executable on a computer that doesn't have Python or the packages installed. This is great because say if you're working on an insane project like a Hangman project, I'll leave a card above if you want to see how to make the game Hangman, and you want to share it to your friends that are say not tech savvy or don't have Python installed. Well, you can do it with an EXE file. However, this file would only work on Windows computers, not Mac or Linux. I'll make a video in the future on how to make an executable Python file for Mac and Linux. The first thing we need to do is to open up the directory of the Python project. To do this, open up the Python project folder, go to the bar at the top and replace everything with cmd, then click enter. Once you're in command prompt, type in the command pip install pyinstaller. This would install pyinstaller, which is a package that bundles a Python application and all of its dependencies into a single package. This would allow the user to run packaged apps without installing a Python interceptor or any packages. The next command we need to type in is pyinstaller --one file -w and then the name of the script. Before you press the enter button, I just want to let you know that if the Python project is a graphical game, type in the -w. However, if the project works in the console, don't put the -w or else the code won't work at all. Once the command is done, exit out of the command prompt and open up the Python folder. You should see two new folders, build, dist, and a new file called main.spec. You can delete both build and main.spec. If you open up the dist folder, you should see a file that is considered an application. If you have any dependencies, which are Python files that the main file imported, drag the exe file into the main folder where those dependencies are located. If you want to make all of these files into one application, you can continue the video. If not, you can stop watching the video here. We will need to download a free application called NSIS. The installation system is pretty simple, so I won't go over it. I'll leave the link, install link in the video description. Once you're done installing NSIS, go to the Python project, right-click on the folder, and turn it into a compressed zip folder. The last step would be to open up the app and tap the installer based on zip button. You don't need to touch any of the extra settings. Once the process is done, you should receive an installer for the Python project. This is great if you want to send your Python projects to a friend that doesn't have Python installed or doesn't know how to code. Also, if you try installing a second version of the Python app with the installer, it won't work because you already have a copy. To prevent this, try installing each copy in different directories. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. My next video is going to be on how to make an Python installer for macOS. So if you want to stay in tune for that, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It will mean a lot for me. And yeah, hope you have a good day. Peace.